Shenzhen Guangke Technologies Global Service Manufacturer, established in 2010, and focused on LED corn bulb lamp over 10 years, which is located in Shenzhen, China, with over 290 employees and 11,000 square meters factory plant. Shenzhen Guangke is one of professional manufacturers of LED corn light, HID, and MHL retrofit in China. We have powerful R&D team of 37 engineers and advanced detecting instruments, which made 12 to 15 new products innovated per year. 85 patents were issued by domestic and overseas market, is the great witness of our innovation. With stable quality and creative design, new products, brand reputation around the world, we have built solid, good relationship with our clients. Our main products are LED corn lamps, LED street lights, LED work lights, and UV lamps with certificates of UL, DLC, FCC, CE, RoHS, FDA, PSE. Our products are exported over 95% to North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Australia, Japan, and South Korea. We are proud with our experienced engineers team and well-considerate market sales so that we can create more value for our clients. We always insist, quality first, customer foremost, and keep innovation for establishing a long-term cooperation with our clients. Trust us. Make your wise decision today.